Hello everyone, welcome back to AI with Anamika Yadav. In our previous video, we learned about Python operator, but knowing operator is not enough. Imagine you are building an ATM machine. If your balance is greater than 500, the ATM should allow you to withdraw money. Otherwise, it should show insufficient balance. So how does Python make decision like this? That exactly we learn today. Let's get started. So, first of all, we will discuss about if statement. In Python, an if statement is used when we want the program to make a decision. In simple words, if a condition is true, Python execute the code. If it is false, Python skip it. Let's understand very simple example. Age is equals to 28 using if statement, then equals to 18 using print function. Write a message you can boot. Okay, let's run this program. So get the output is you can boot. Here Python check whether age is greater than or equal to 18. Since 20 is greater than 18, the condition become true. So Python print the message. Now let's change the value using same example. Change the value is 15. Same condition we need to apply. This time nothing is print. Why? Because the condition is false and Python simply skip the code inside in the block. That's how if statement work. Let's talk about else statement. Now suppose we also want Python to tell the user what happened when the condition is false. That's what else comes in using same condition, same example, using same example for that, using else statement. So change the message you cannot vote. So now Python has choice. If the condition is true, it execute if block, otherwise it execute the else block. Okay, let's check. Let's talk about elif statement. So sometimes we don't have just two choice. We may have three, four, or even more conditions. For that, Python provide elif, which means else if. Let's understand with this with code. Let's run this program. So the output is B. Python check the condition one by one. Is marks greater than or equal to 90? No. Then it's check the elif condition. Is it greater than or equal to 75? Yes. So it print B and ignore the remaining conditions. One thing you should always remember, Python uses indentations after if, elif, and else. The code inside these blocks must have proper indentation. If indentation is incorrect, Python will immediately give an error. So always make sure your indentation is correct. That's it for today's video. I hope you now understand how Python makes decision using if, elif, and else statement. In If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the AI Namika Yadav. Also follow me on Insta, AI with Anamika Yadav for daily Python tips. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.